Okay, and now this headlight housing is finally free, and we can go to look that back area also, because here we have these bolts what we have to replace when we are doing the servicing, and let's go to look through these. Next bulb is in here, and this is maybe flasher bulb. Yes, there is flasher bulb, and in that way I can take this flasher bulb away, and this is really, we can look also this type. There is text in that what it looks like, and we can purchase these new bulbs from Honda dealership center, or then if we tell Stanley 12 volts W 12 watts is this type, and this is really front flasher bulb. And when we look inside, we can see that this inner area's cable is solid, and that means that this is fine.